Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ritu and I make content related to beauty, DIY, skincare, fashion and hauls. In case you want to stick around, please make sure that you click on the subscribe button and be a part of Beauty Squad. And in today's video guys, I wanted to share these amazing serum with you all. And this one is gonna be FirstLeaf Natural Skin Glow Kumkumadi Face Serum, which has saffron. Now it has been 2 weeks since I'm using this, and you guys know my journey with the pigmentation. Anytime I get my hands on a product which works great for my skin, I make sure that I share it with you all, because we Indians are blessed with a bit of pigmentation and dark spots on the skin since we are born. Like most of us have these problems. So yes, this one has Kumkumadi. We all know the amazing benefits of Kumkumadi for the skin. I am going to be telling you about this product in detail. For that we need to be quickly diving in, so let's just start the video guys. So I'll tell you that what all this serum has. This has sandalwood, it has lotus, it has rose oil, it has saffron, sandalwood, and all of these amazing natural ingredients which works deep on your skin and helps in fading away the dark spots, the dull spots, acne spots you have on the face. Also, this one has anti-aging properties. It helps in fading away the fine lines and wrinkles you have on the skin. So as I'm entering in my late 20s, I make sure that I take care of my skin so I can have beautiful and glowing skin. Now, because it has all the natural ingredient, it do not have any harmful chemical. It is free from parabens, sulfates, mineral oils, no artificial fragrance or color. So it is going to be completely safe to use for you all. You do not have to think about twice. And India has been famous for all of these amazing natural concoctions that it has, which helps in giving you beautiful and glowing skin. Also, these are world famous. I have gone out to a few places and I've seen people raving about Indian Ayurveda. So this is what exactly there in this bottle. So even if you have dry skin, combination skin, or even oily skin, you're going to be good with this. And we are just approaching toward winters, and we know the winters are really harsh for the skin because it makes the skin dull, dry. So it is going to be helpful there as well. It helps in moisturizing the skin beautifully, and when your skin is moisturized guys, it looks really plump and it stays away from getting those fine lines and wrinkles. So yes, I completely swear by this product, and you do not need to layer lots of products on your skin to have that beautiful and glowing skin. Just with this product, believe me, you're gonna be good to go. I swear by natural ingredients. And there are times we just mix all of these sandalwood, saffron and all of these things together. Our grandmother and mother keep telling us they're great for the skin. So yes, I use it in the morning and in the night as well, and I get up with a beautiful and glowing skin in the morning. I got a suntan like a week ago and my skin was badly burnt. So I was swearing by this one. I was applying it every day in the morning and in the night, 2 times a day, and believe me, it has helped in repairing the skin. I'm able to see my suntan going away. Also, it is helping with the sun damage. I have told you guys about my journey with the pigmentation. So around my mouth, I can even see that it is working greatly, and also the dark spot that I have on my nose. So yes, I am swearing by this product these days, and I completely love this one. So I'll tell you how to use it. Just take 2 to 3 drops on your palm, apply it all over your face. It is such a lightweight formula. It's completely absorbed in your skin really quickly. And yeah, then you're gonna be good to go. In the morning, I follow it up with the sunscreen, but in the night, I just apply. So yes, make sure that you give this one a try. Believe me, you're not gonna be disappointed at all. And yes, I will see you guys super soon with another video. Check out the link in the description box below. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.